The largest bit in most standard drill bit sets is usually a 1/2 inch diameter. So when you need to drill a larger hole, you need a different type of bit. There are a couple of options. One that most people recognize is a spade bit. A spade bit drills aggressively and will bore a large hole quickly. But these bits are really designed for speed over smoothness, so they can leave a rough hole. Another option for large holes is a Forstner bit. It drills with more of a shearing action, so it's less likely to leave a rough edge, and it will leave the sides of the hole smooth. Whatever type of bit you're using, it's always a good idea to use a backer board. That minimizes the tear out around the hole that often happens as the bit exits the wood, and of course, keeps you from drilling into your work surface.